we're about to get started with our Barrett Signature facial. All right, this is a facial that I designed based on research and efficacy and experience here in the office of really great modalities that actually work together synergistically to improve the collagen and tightness of the face. Helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, helps to reduce pigmentation, and it helps for the deep musculature and tightness so that you get a tightening effect without a facelift, okay? So the three different modalities that we have are radiofrequency skin tightening. This is a Venus Legacy machine that we're going to do and heat up the skin to 43 degrees Celsius. We also have PRP that we're going to delicately apply to the face and do microneedling. It's also known as a vampire facial, where the microneedling device creates little microchannels for the PRP to sink in, and then we're going to combine that with the red light therapy and infrared therapy so that we boost the blood flow to the face all while this is happening to get a magnified effect. All right, so we have our beautiful blood from our patient, and this doesn't take a significant amount of blood, you guys. She's not gonna feel this at all. It's not even close to like what it would take to donate blood, but we take this, we're gonna spin it down. Watch the red color turn to gold, okay? So we're gonna spin it down for 5 minutes, make it happen. So we're getting started with our Venus Legacy Multipolar Radiofrequency Skin Tightening. Okay, so all these different electrodes are stimulating a current in our deep connective tissues. This heats the tissues to 40 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature at which you will start to see collagen production and skin tightening and underlying muscle aponeurotic system tightening. This device is also good at stimulating pulse electromagnetic fields, which is really great for restoration and healing as well. It's going to speed up our healing process. So those two things are happening right now as we speak. So that's it for our Barrett Signature procedure, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. It's a combination of the three different modalities that we did here today. Our patient's face is slightly red. This will go away in about 3 days. And that's the beauty of this procedure, is that it has 3 days downtime, but maximal results. Okay, so this is actually on the level of a CO2 laser result with much less downtime, okay? So if you have any questions, check out my website, drdanielbarrett.com. Feel free to leave your comments, questions, feedback right here on my YouTube page, and thanks for tuning in.